Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Kraken rod fish. First, let's get it set up. Begin by securely attaching your fishing reel to the rod's reel seat. Next, carefully thread your fishing line through all the rod guides, starting from the reel and working your way to the tip. Finally, tie on your preferred lure or hook using a strong, reliable fishing knot. This ensures your gear is ready for action. Now let's master your casting. Hold the rod firmly with your dominant hand, keeping your thumb on the reel's spool for control. Bring the rod back smoothly to about a 10 o'clock position, then swiftly cast it forward. As the rod reaches the 2 o'clock position, release the line with your thumb. Practice this motion for accurate and effortless casts. Once your lure is in the water, it's time for retrieval. Reel in your line steadily, always maintaining tension so you can feel any bites. Experiment with varying your retrieve speed to mimic natural prey movements, making your lure more enticing. When you feel that distinct tug, quickly lift the rod tip with a firm motion to set the hook effectively. Good luck! Proper care ensures your Kraken rod lasts for many fishing adventures. After each use, rinse your rod thoroughly with fresh water to remove any salt, sand, or debris. Regularly inspect the guides and reel seat for any signs of damage or wear. Finally, store your rod in a protective case or sleeve to prevent scratches and keep it in top condition for your next outing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.